Today we are making fresh pasta dough for cheese raviolis. We took eggs, flour, a little bit of salt and olive oil, and they are mixing by hand all their doughs. We're going to be rolling this out later and putting together our raviolis.
I'm making the yeast shape.
Yeah.
What does that do, making the yeast
It
shape?
makes the yeast shape. It's an ancient method by Gordon Ramsay.
One is a yeasted dough for the cinnamon rolls. It's a rich dough. And the pasta dough is just with flour and eggs. And both of these doughs are very versatile, so there's a lot of different things that they can do with it. The pasta dough, they can make whatever shape pasta they want. And the yeasted dough, they can also use whatever kind of fillings that they want in it. Our strawberry, they're all different shapes. They're all different sizes, no flat surface. So what we're gonna do is make a flat surface. What I do first is cut off the top.
What do you think?
I normally don't like it. It's like a basil.
What do you think?
Really good.
How do you like your cinnamon roll?
Want to try the ice cream over? It's good. Oh, my favorite was rolling the pasta.
Roll it out.
Same, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's I see. I'm just gonna say this is fun.